AI avatars has taken the internet world by storm. Well, avatars can work as your virtual presenter or a spokesperson and can solve all of your content creation problems while saving your time, effort, and resources. That's why I'm here to teach you how you can build a professional avatar with the help of AI 100% free. But before that, let's see some of the popular use cases of avatars. Avatars can help you in hundreds of different ways, but there were several powerful use cases of avatars. Some of them are listed below. Content creation. You can create unlimited video content with the help of AI avatars. You do not need to be appear on the camera or in front of camera to create the videos. You can simply design an AI avatar and then assign it to videos. It's super easy to integrate avatars with a video. So you can create long form videos like YouTube videos, and you can also create short length content like TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram Reels. In order to access the art flow, you need to create a free account on the website. You can find the website link in the description box, or you can access it manually by typing app.artflow.ai in your browser. When the website loaded completely, head over to left menu and in the bottom you will find the sign up button. It will be redirected to registration page. Create the free account by putting the details. Or you can also sign up directly with the Google. Accept the terms. If you want to know the latest news, you can also join their Discord server. So AI comes up with different pricing plans. You will have a free plan, a starter plan, a pro plan, and then you will have an enterprise level plan. Free plan will have 100 credits, and then starter plan will be starting from $6.42 and can have 300 credits. You can also customize the numbers of credits. In the free plan, we will get a 4-minute video for storytelling and 2 minutes video from the video studio. But if you stay till the end of the video, I will show you how you can use it unlimited. Mean there will be no limits story studio or on the video studio. So stay till the end and wait for the surprise. R2I offer different features, including a character building, which offers a consistent character builder, then a image generator by which you can generate unlimited images, and then we have a video creator by which you can create animated avatars, and then we will have a story creator by which you can create unlimited AI based 3D stories. Well, today we are going to use video studio so we can create avatar. Let's see how we can create an avatar for ourselves. Let's head over to left bar widget and click on video studio. Then click on create videos and it will load the dashboard. The dashboard is a bit slow, so please wait until it's loaded completely. Here we can set up the name of our project and we can have about 20 shots, mean we can create up to 20 scenes for our video. From here you need to select a scene for our project. I'm going to select this one. You can also select the custom backgrounds from here. The library offers a large range of different avatars and background. So choose any of these. Then click on character to choose a character. As you can see, I already have chosen a character, so I'm not going to choose any from this page. Then click on dialog and turn this mic button on. Now, after turning it on, go below and enter your text here. You can also upload your pre-recorded videos. After entering your text, you need to select a voiceover from here. You can test different voiceovers and choose your favorite one. I'm going with the default one, so I have click on edit. You can also set up the effects, but I'm going to make it default with a new movement. After doing all settings, you need to click on export and animate button, and it's showing you the cost of credits in the previous section. Click on export and it will be available in no time. Here you need to set up the title for your project and then click on export. So you're seeing the video is being exported. It's under processing right now. It will be available in the dashboard in few seconds. Now let's see how we can create avatar of our own image. Click on create videos. It will be redirected to dashboard again. Choose a scene again from here. You can also upload your custom scene. I'm going to choose this one. After choosing the scene, click on character and go to uploads. To upload your own character, click on browse and choose any character from these. You can choose your own image. It's being uploaded in the dashboard. When it's complete the upload, then choose the character. Set up in the canvas and wait until the system detects the face. When the system says it has detected the face, click on mic button and turn it on. Then you will be redirected to dialog box. From here you can enter your text again, or you can also upload your pre-recorded voice. I'm going to enter here and I'm going to choose a voice from here. Click on use this voice and add it to avatar. Then click on export and animate. Give your title again. Click on export video. Both of our videos are ready. Now let's open them and download them in our device. Artflow AI has already added the subtitles, so you do not need to add any subtitle. Here on the left top you will see a watermark by Artflow. You can remove this simply by editing the video, or you can use the masking technique to remove the watermark. You can also use any AI tool to remove this watermark. Simply click on download button to download the video. You can also download with subtitles and without subtitles. We can also play the video here to see the preview. Imagine effortlessly creating engaging videos without ever having to appear on screen. AI avatars utilize advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to generate. Imagine effortlessly creating engaging videos without ever having to appear on screen. AI avatars utilize advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to generate realistic virtual presenters that can deliver your message with clarity and precision. So these were the both results we created in few minutes ago. You can do some experiments and can enhance your character to have better results. Well, here are some surprises for you. You can access AI Art Flow 100% free for unlimited time by using the temporary emails. You can sign up through temporary email. I will provide the best temporary email provider in the description box. Just go there and use their emails to create unlimited accounts. Well, I will also provide you the AI characters by which you can develop your AI avatar. You can find them and download them from the description box. Go ahead, do some experiments and create your own AI powered avatar. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content related to AI and AI tools. Goodbye.